We already had 81-degree weather. We had, you saw me in shorts, and now I'm in a blizzard. I'm telling you, babies. When the altitude changes, things get weird, man. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it. I can't really tell. Everything's fogged up. But you get an idea, right, fella? Get an idea what I'm going through here. Okay. I ain't complaining. I dig it. You never know what's coming here. Where's the doggies over here? He don't care. He's white. He's meant for the snow, Man, this snow's coming down, man. Ain't no bull here. Where's that puppy? He takes off now already. I gotta start watching him. He just takes off, man. Oh, there he is. There he is. Can you see him? All right. All right. See the car, all the snow on it? Already. Maybe the camera's not functioning right. Oh, that ain't good. Get back to normal. Alright, one of these will work. I'll check them out when I get in the house, but you get an idea, right? What a day makes, huh? That's why I told her, man. I ain't changing nothing until I know the weather's changing. You know what I mean? Alright. Alright, just a little ditty. 1 minute. Alright. Okay. Adios. Lift hard and heavy. Yeah. Bye.